I'm so glad to be with you all today. It was a wonderful session. And okay, please, I would like to recognize the presence of the respected District Governor, Mr. Chintamani Bhattarai, past District Governor Prithaman Sapiju, past District Governor Madam Joy Rajarashmi Sahar, immediate past District Governor Sanjay Giriju, District Governor nominee Rotarian Rajiv Poksharju, District DRFC Chair Jitendra Raj Bhandari, District Program Chair Mr. Rajendra Shrestha, and RCJ President and various presidents and members from various clubs under Region 1 to 3, Rotaracts, Interacts, and my fellow Rotarians and everybody present in this August gathering today. At first, I'd like to extend a big thank you to all the members of Rotary clubs, especially the new members, prospective members and Rotaracts for your active participation in this program today. I am sure you must have learned quite a few things about today from our current district governor, past district governors, and district officials and senior Rotarians. I believe everyone has something to take away from this program. Be the inspiration is the theme of current RI President Mary Racine. He asks Rotarians to inspire change in the world and each other. He asks all of us to be the inspiration to help Rotary move from reaction to action, to take a hard work, look at the environmental issues and affect health and welfare around the world. Our DG, Mr. Chintamani Bhattarai, he has said 360-degree reach out is the theme for him this year. As Rotarians, we have to work all the times, in all the ways for making this world better, to change the lives of people and to serve the humanity through all possible means. We do have another 9 months for our actions to achieve this theme for this Rotary year. We are in action, we can deliver. PDG Madam Joy Rajarashmi Sahar explained us about the value of the 4-way test. We recited here the 4-way test stands as the hallmark of Rotary. To a Rotarian, the 4-way test is a very important to Rotary. It is the ethical guide for Rotarians we use for their personal and professional relationships. It is not that we just recite the 4-way test, we have to live with it. At the beginning of the program, Manju ma'am also highlighted on the program, the flow of this program. She is a very good mentor and educationist, inspirer and orator. Her briefing made this program flow very interesting. On behalf of this organizing committee members and from my personal side too, I appreciate her for her guidance and leadership to make today's event happen so well. As a committed Rotarian and co-chair of membership committee, I warmly welcome the prospective Rotarians, Rotaracts and all in the Rotary fraternity. As you might know by now, there are 3 types of Rotary membership: active members, honorary members and corporate members. We are active members. Active members of one Rotary club cannot be a member of any other Rotary club, but the members can participate in any meetings of any Rotary clubs worldwide. I'd like to thank Greenwich Hotel Management for providing the halls and logistics. I'd like to thank the Rotarians, Rotaracts and all who volunteered to make this program a success. Volunteers don't get paid, but because it's not because they are worthless, but because they are priceless. They are precious and we value them. I would like to thank Sergeant at Arms Rotarian Vinita Pradhan for a wonderful job as usual. Thank you, Vinita. And our big thanks with appreciation to the resource persons, the senior Rotarians who share their knowledge and experiences very openly and honestly to all of us. I believe everyone has something to take away from today's program. Our sincere gratitude to the respected District Governor, Mr. Chintamani Bhattarai, PDG Tirthaman Sahab, PDG Jaya Rajadashmi Sahab, DGN Mr. Rajiv Pokhriyal, BRFC Chair Jitendra Raj Bhandari ji, and District Committee, Program Chair Rajendra Raj Shrestha ji, and other dignitaries from district for their gracious presence in this program in making it a great success. I express my sincere thanks to and a loud appreciation to the chairperson and all the members of this program's organizing committee. Let's give them a big round of applause. Rotary is all about service of self, peace of humanity. Sometimes on a light note, I'm saying sometimes we just try to convert it into a selfie of self. That is there maybe in our fellowship programs. A big thank you to all of you once again. Have a great day. Jai Rotary. Thank you all. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you, Manoj. Just a minute. Just bear with us for a few seconds only. Rotary